Hello beauties, yeah, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe guys, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this very delicious seafood pepper soup noodles. See guys, you are going to enjoy this one, especially on that day, when you're a little bit below the weather. This will help you. And to make this, just proceed to put in your well cleaned fish into the pot, and I'm using tilapia fish for this. You can use any fish of choice. I've added in some seasoning powder, add in some of your blended onion with water. I'll add in some salt now. Add in your blended peppers. Just make sure you add the pepper you can tolerate. Add in some of your pepper soup spice. Remember my emphasis on using a very good pepper soup spice. See if you can get a good pepper soup spice. I have a pepper soup spice recipe on my page. So just go and check it out. It is so good. So I'll just stir everything all together and cover this up and allow this fish to steam first. I want the whole ingredients to enter inside the fish. Take a look at this, guys. So that way your fish is going to be tasty and not just the liquid being tasty. The fish has to be tasty first. So adding water that will just cook the fish all the way through. At this point, stir everything together and taste for salt and seasoning and adjust to your taste. But in this case, there was no need to add. So I added in some of the crabs now, and I make sure to open up some of the crabs so that the ingredients can enter into the crab. You want to eat a bland crab actually. So I'm just going to make sure that everything is well immersed in this water. Proceed to cover up the pot and allow this to cook. By this time, the aroma coming out from your kitchen, will be inviting people around. So now, the fish is well cooked now. I won't like the fish to pieces into the pot. So I'm just removing the fish from the pepper soup. Remember, this is a seafood pepper soup, so go on and add in any seafood at your disposal. So I'm adding in some cleaned and seasoned prawns to this, and I just season this with a little bit of salt and black pepper. So cover this up and allow this to cook too. This is a time to introduce the noodles into the pepper soup. So, guys, just proceed to add in the noodles you are using and add in some shrimps. Yes, you need shrimps because once you take a spoon, you just have to eat one thing or the other. So, added in the seasoning from the noodles, just stir this all together. Make sure it's well immersed into this and allow this to cook. Just add in an extra pepper soup spice if you really want this to pop out. See, add in this last batch towards the end of the cooking because you want the aroma to really aromalize. So guys, I'm just stirring this all together to make sure it's well cooked. You won't enjoy this if it's very soggy, so it is ready at this point. The heat is just going to finish it up. So I'm adding in some of the scent leaves. This will highlight the taste of this the more, and go on and add in this fish that we removed earlier. And that is it, guys. I'm just going to allow this just few seconds, let everything marry together. If you have watched this recipe to this point, that means you have enjoyed this recipe. So tell me why you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Tell me, tell me. See, guys, just tell me. I will sort it out in the comment section. So, guys, I just finished this up by adding in some scotch bonnet pepper that I already cut. This we just add as a garnishing and an extra heat to this. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Just proceed to serve this very delicious seafood pepper soup noodles. See, guys, just serve it anytime, anytime, anytime. Whether you have flu, whether anytime, just serve this. It will not only boost your omega 3, but it is so delicious and you will enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching my recipe. And if you have any recipe requests for me, just drop it in the comment section. I'm sure to bring it to you. So, guys, I do appreciate you. Yes, I appreciate you. You. I appreciate you for watching my recipes. I don't take it for granted. Thank you, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.